So today we are going to replace my screen on my Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is the glue we are going to use. A UV flashlight, some cards, guitar picks, prying tools, microfiber cloth, and our new glass. So before we begin, I'm going to show you this one. It's a cheap one. I hope not. Normally it would do the job. Let's put that aside. There are videos on YouTube that say that all these tools cost a lot of money. I'm from Europe, so with my screen and the tools, it costs a bit less than 30 euros. So why not? So, like all the YouTube videos say, take your phone. It works, so put your phone off. Put your cover on the side. Take your battery out. Take out your SIM. And take out your memory card. You never know. So put that aside. And yeah, now let's begin. Be careful, take your time. It's my first time too, so okay, these cards are not that good. Try to save the little black adhesive line and take your time. These cards are not good. You're too flimsy. You can do this in a whole lot other ways, so be careful that you don't overheat your phone, because it may damage it. What I'm trying to do is, I don't know if you can see it, there's some blue thing behind there. Try to save that, that's the adhesive. If you don't want the glass flying everywhere, just put some tape over it. But take some clear tape that you can see what you are doing. Okay, we are almost at the end of the screen. Don't rush this. Why don't rush this? We have our buttons here. There are some very thin cables. You don't want to break those, because otherwise your buttons are not going to work. So I'm going to put the cards beneath it. I'm gonna push slightly to the bottom. Because there will be some glue left. So just be careful. Okay, so there's the screen. Now put our cards aside. Make sure everything stays in the right place. But always be careful. I can't stress this enough. The only thing we are going to reuse from this screen is this little metal clip, because we need that for our home button. Now let's clean up the glue. I'm going to use my fingers for the bigger pieces. Take some acetone. Normally you should do this in outside with acetone, but yeah, we're working with a phone, so we can't go outside. Put some acetone on your glove and take the rest of the glue off. If you get lightheaded, stop, take a pause. We don't want any glue in our camera, so be careful. Okay, we are back. So now we can continue. Put the home button back in place. Put the metal clip around the home button. Put it good. Take your glove, make a microfiber glove. Take the dust off. Don't be afraid to make some scratches because the glue is going to cover it. Now let's take our new screen. And now let's take our glue. Be careful, it runs like hell. Take a new screen. Be careful. You don't want to drop it in place, just be careful. Don't put too much on it. If you put too much, it's going to be a mess. Now, when your phone is back together and you're using your UV flashlight, you have to do this couple of 10 minutes, 15, depends. But the glue on the screen itself is already hard. if your phone is back together, this is what other people say, make sure you lay it upside down with something a bit heavy on it, so the glue can leak out through the home button. So I'm going to put my phone back together now. We got a beautiful new screen. That's not my PC, by the way. Now I'm going to put this one on here for a few couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and I'm done. So bye.